Okay, you guys, yeah, I welcome you all to my channel once again. Okay, before I start the full analysis, let me just show you guys, okay, my entry. Let me show you guys my entry on Gbp Usd. Okay, I entered somewhere here, as you can see, and it might take profits. Give me about 50 pips plus. So I was actually risking about 25 pips, 24 to 25 pips. That is 1:2. Okay, so that is that. So I'll delete all of this and then start the analysis all over again. But I'll leave this one. I'll delete everything. Okay, I think we are good to go. So now, I did start my analysis from weekly time frame. So on my weekly time frame, what I want to look out for is a structure. I want to see what is actually happening on my weekly time frame. Okay, I don't really need much there. So one, I need my highest point. Okay, I need my highest point, and I need my lowest point as well. Okay, this is my lowest point. Okay, and this is my highest point so far. This is my highest point somewhere here, which is our supply zone. Okay, but I don't think I'll be needing this one right here because it's way too far. Okay, so for now, let's just stick to this structure. Let's see if we can get a nice structure here. I have a structure here, which is this one, one minimum of 2 touches, which is the first one and the second one. So I would get another one here, the first touch and also the second touch. So according to this structure, according to what I have here, I expect price to move from support to resistance, from support to resistance, then from resistance here to support, and then blah 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 till it breaks out. Okay, so now I'll move to my daily time frame. See what we have on my daily time frame. Okay, so on my daily time frame here, I'll note my highest point and I'll note my lowest point. So this is my highest point and this is my lowest point somewhere here, right? Okay, cool. So let's see if we have a structure. Let's see if we have a structure right here. As you can see, price is shutting down. We kind of have a trend here. We have a trend. Let's see if I can connect this together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, cool. We have a trend here. Okay, for every resistance, there has to be a support as well. So I'll draw this here as well. So now I'll move to my weekly time frame. Okay, I'll move to my weekly time frame. But before I do so, you see that price is moving within this structure. Okay, meaning after the support, it touches resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. So now I expect price to short all the way here and then probably goes up or probably breaks and tests and then start going down. Okay, so that is what I expect on Gbp Usd. But for now, let us focus more on what is happening at the moment. Okay, which is sell on my daily time frame, which is what? Which is sell. So now I'll move to my H4 time frame. But before I do so, we need to take note of some support right here. So I'll just, okay, this is a support, a strong level, a key level where price might tend to react to. Okay, my daily time frame. So now I'll move to H4 time frame. H4 time. So I'm on H4 time frame at the moment. Okay, as you can see, our previous day low. Let me go to my daily time frame and show you. We have this level to be our previous day low. So our had this horizontal ray there. Okay, put it somewhere here. Our previous day low. That was actually what I did. Okay, so now I'll move to H4 time frame. So on my H4 time frame, I discovered price is short and price is creating lower highs and lower low. Price is creating lower highs and lower lows. Okay. So price is creating lower lows and lower highs. So, and the trend at the moment is what we call a downtrend movement. Okay, meaning price has not fully reversed yet. Okay, the trend at the moment is a downtrend market. Okay, so as soon as I see that price had already created a level of resistance, which is this level right here, which is this level, and my first confirmation here is downtrend. Okay, lower low and lower high, so meaning price has to make another lower low. Okay, so, and also I was actually looking at double top, tweezer top from start, okay, which is the first one here and the second one here. You may not see it clearly. Let us check 1 hour. So I was actually looking at double top or tweezer top, which is the first one and the second one. Okay, so on doing that, I went to my 15-minute time frame and started looking for a possible entry. Okay, I consider this to be a continuation pattern. Okay, types of pattern, we have a reversal pattern, a continuation pattern as well, but I consider this to be a continuation pattern, meaning price has to at least complete this formation right here. Okay, so I now went to my 15-minute time frame to look out for my entry because my strategy is multi-time frame analysis, okay, my pure market structure. So I went to my 15-minute time frame and started looking for an entry. Immediately I see that price had created. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry, please. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So I went to my 15 minutes time frame and I started looking for possible entries because I knew this is a continuation pattern. Okay, so I then discovered a trend inside a trend within a trend. This one right here. Okay, so and immediately I spot an entry on my 15-minute time frame. I took it straight up. And how did I get my entry? Looking at this area, I see we have a strong level of resistance starting from this area. Okay, and I have my first touch. Let's consider this area to be our first touch. Our first touch. This is our second touch. This is third touch. Okay, so price respected our third touch, and also it gave us a double top formation on our 15-minute time frame here. This is the first one. This is the first one, and this is the second one. So I took the sell straight up. Okay, so I now place my stop loss. You know, whenever you are selling, your stop loss has to be above resistance. Okay, because of pullback or because of weeks. Okay, because of weeks. So whenever you are selling, your stop loss has to be above, and whenever you are buying, your stop loss has to be below a zone. You don't just enter a trade and put your stop loss anywhere you like. As for me, my maximum stop loss, the maximum stop loss that I use is 30 pips. Okay, so I then place my stop loss above this region. Then I check how many pips that was. I think it was around 25 pips. Okay, I see that I am still sick. Then I set my TP to be 1:2. 1:2, risking 25 pips to get 50 pips. And as you can see, price gave me exact 51 or 52 pips or so. So that was how I made some dollars in the market today, trading Gbp Usd. So guys, I think that is all. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Okay, and don't forget to always like. Okay, the more you like, the more you guys like, comment, and share, the more I'll be uploading more content. Okay, but I still have a video that I'm still looking up to. Like, I'm still going to upload. Like, it's called a trading plan. Okay, it's called a trading plan. In that video, I will be disclosing my plan, my own plan. Maybe it could eventually work for you as well. So it's somewhere here. So see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.